Imagine this. Every time someone creates a GitHub issue, an AI reads it instantly, analyzes the problem, and posts a helpful comment completely automatically. In this video, I'll show you how to build this exact automation using Dify's GitHub Issue Trigger. This is the workflow we will be building. It starts with a GitHub Issue Trigger, which fires the moment a new issue is opened. This allows your automation to run instantly without any manual action. Before the workflow can run, there's a preparation work. We first need to connect the GitHub to Dify. Dify GitHub Trigger uses a simple OAuth authorization flow, which means you don't need to manually configure API tokens or webhooks. Once authorized, this plugin trigger can automatically listen for issue creation events from your selected repositories. This part is a software engineer agent. It reads the issue title and body, understands what the user is reporting, and analyzes the problem just like a real engineer would. Next part formats the AI's analyze into a clean, friendly message that will be used at the GitHub comment. This ensures every automatic reply looks consistent and easy to read. Finally, the Create Issue comment node publishes the generated message directly to the issue on GitHub. Let's see the entire automation in action. In just a few seconds, the user receives a meaningful reply without anyone on the team needing to jump in manually. And GitHub is only one example. Dify supports many types of event-driven triggers, including Slack, Notion, Gmail, and more. And you can find them in Dify Marketplace right now. If you enjoy AI automation tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe us.